There may come a time when you must reset your TV to its factory default settings to assist in resolving an issue. There are two reset procedures. One used when you can access the menus, and one when you can't. Use the first reset procedure if you're having a problem getting your TV to start or display an image. Turn off the TV and unplug the TV's power cord. Leave it unplugged for at least 1 minute. Then, plug the TV back into power. It's as simple as that. If this procedure doesn't solve the problem, your TV may need servicing. Because the TV can't start or display an image, you don't need to try the other reset procedure and can stop here. Use the second reset procedure if the TV can start and you can access the settings using the menu button. This procedure will reset the TV to factory defaults, resetting all settings and channels to their factory default values. First, we will show you how to reset your TV if its menu looks like this. If your menu looks substantially different, we'll show you how to reset your TV later in this video. Press the menu button on the remote to open the menu. Note that the steps to perform this procedure may be slightly different on some models, even if the menus look similar. Using the arrow buttons allows you to select from the various icons at the top that represent different menus. Select the icon that's associated with Setup. In this case, it's the rightmost icon. Then use the arrow buttons on the remote to highlight Installation at the top of the menu and press Enter. Next, use the arrow buttons to select the icon at the top that shows the System Status menu. Use the arrow buttons to select System Information and press Enter. Now, use the arrow buttons to navigate to Factory Defaults. Use the down arrow button first to highlight No, then use the right arrow button to select Yes. Press Enter. If a PIN code has been set, you'll be prompted to enter the PIN. Once entered, Done should be highlighted automatically. With Done selected, press Enter. When the reset warning message appears, use the arrow buttons to select Yes and press Enter. The TV will turn off automatically after a few seconds. After the TV turns off, unplug the TV's power cable. After 1 minute, plug the TV back into power to complete the reset. If your menu looks like this, you'll follow a different procedure. Again, note that the steps to perform this procedure may be slightly different on some models, even if the menus look similar. This procedure will reset all settings and channels to their factory default values. Press the menu button on the remote to open the menu. Using the arrow buttons on the remote, select Settings on the bottom ring of icons and press Enter. Now, use the arrow buttons to select Setup in the second ring of icons. Press Enter. Press the down arrow button repeatedly until Reset TV is selected. Then, press Enter. Reset TV may not be initially visible. If a PIN code has been set, you'll be prompted to enter the PIN. If you enter the wrong PIN, an error message will appear. After entering the correct PIN, or if no PIN was set, a confirmation screen will appear. Use the arrow buttons to select Yes, and then press Enter to perform the reset. You may have to wait while your TV resets. Your TV may turn off automatically to complete the process. After ensuring that the TV is turned off, unplug the TV's power cable. After a minute, plug the TV back into power to complete the reset. Note that the next time you start the TV, you'll have to make initial setup decisions. Your TV should now be reset to its factory out-of-box state. For more information, visit support.toshiba.com.